everyone. My name is Tara Lancaster with National Exercise Trainers Association. Today, we're excited to share the story of one of our incredible host partners, Katie Berg of Vibes Owatonna, Minnesota. Katie recently held a workshop with us back in January. Let's hear about her experience. So I'm here with Katie Berg. Do you want to introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about your facility?
So I am Katie Berg, one of the owners here at Vibes Owatonna. My business partner's name is Stephanie Hansen. Here at Vibes, we have lots of different group fitness classes. We focus a lot on Pilates, especially the reformers. We do cycling classes, all sorts of fitness classes, and yoga classes as well.
Can you tell us a little bit about what the process was like working with NETA to host the workshop?
Yeah. So we've hosted multiple workshops with NETA. We've done group fitness, we've done cycling, and we've done Pilates reformers. And the process has always been really smooth and easy. We work with Nicole, and she just responds to us so fast, answers any and all of our questions, and just makes it really smooth and easy to host workshops here for our instructors.
So how did your team respond to the training and the NETA presenter?
So we worked, in our most recent one, we worked with Tina, and she came and did the Pilates reformer training. She actually came twice and did 2 different trainings for our instructors. And both times we only heard positive feedback. She was very easy to ask questions to, and her responses were awesome. She was very, very knowledgeable about the Pilates reformers because of all the experience she had. And we are excited to have her back for Pilates Reformer 2 training in September.
So overall, what kind of impact has NETA workshops had on your staff member experience?
Yeah, the impact has been crucial to our business as a whole. When we opened up, we required all of our instructors to be trained in what they were teaching. So before we were having customers even into our space, NETA came in and did a group exercise training for us and then also people in our community. And that was really nice to have people come and get trained in our space so our instructors didn't have to drive anywhere else. They also came in and did cycling with us as well, so we were just able to grab more people from the community to help us instruct, which is awesome. Because we require all of our instructors to be trained professionally, that just takes down any barriers for them if they don't want to drive somewhere and if they don't want to do things online. And then you guys came in and did the reformers with us, and that has been so crucial to our business as a whole.
What would you say more recently the impact has been on having NETA workshops for your business here at Vibes?
Yeah. So when we knew we wanted to bring in the Pilates reformers to our studio and to our business, we connected with NETA right away. Tina came in and did our training. She trained maybe half of our staff, and we got classes going, and classes were going really well. And so we invited her to come back and train the rest of our staff. Classes are going so well now because Pilates is trending and it's so popular that Tina's coming back to do a Reformer 2 with our instructors in September.
Well, thank you, Katie, for sharing your experience with us. We're excited to keep working with you in the future.
Thank you very much.